Guys, look what I found in the trash. I found this little vacuum cleaner motor. 2200 watts, 115 degrees Celsius protector, 240 volts, 50 hertz. Look at that. I should get it open too. And look at that. Oh, look at the brushes inside too. Look at the stator. Whoa. Can you focus? No, you can't focus, but you can definitely see it inside there though. That is pretty cool. So somehow I'm actually going to try and get this thing to work and probably use it for something. But right now, I need to try and get it to get this piece off here to come off. So for that I might need a big screwdriver. How on earth are you supposed to get this thing off? What on earth? I'm gonna try and... I just realized that the whole plastic piece was underneath the spindle. So I went to get help. That's the reason why I paused the video at 8 minutes. This thing is tougher than I thought. I mean guys, it's so tough. Look at that, and it still spins. It's unbelievable, guys. What kind of design have they come up with this? Guys, this is ridiculous. Oh, man. What on earth? Guys, I do not know how to get this thing off at all. I wonder if it's bolted on though. Well, I think it is bolted on. Bummer. I might need to go get some pliers or something and then hold it down and then twist that little nut in there. A little nut right there. We almost had it. I think, yeah, I have to take this spin part off. Because I think all of this is actually joined underneath the blower cover. I think it's all in one unit, guys. I mean, it spins fine and all, but yeah, it spins fine. The brushes are okay. Oh, the brushes. Weird. The green background matches the grass. Guys, hold up. I will be right back. Guys, I forgot that I actually got a ratchet set that will fit that little nut. Right, let's get this thing undone. Open that ratchet set and find what that fits it. Sorry, I messed up the recording a little bit. I apologise for that, but I will sort that out eventually. Also, the size of the spindle nut is a 12 millimeter, so I had a 12 millimeter socket in there in my ratchet set, so that was helpful. Guys, it's on there tight. It's on there extremely tight. It's a 12 millimeter. It's got a 12 millimeter nut on there. There's no way I'll be able to get it off there. Look, it fits in there good, but look, it just spins like that. That's what it does. I need like a clamp or something, I don't know. Is it out of balance? I hope it's not out of balance. Yeah, it's a little bit out of balance, I can see it. I can see it with the naked eye. Bummer. Now what am I going to do? I don't know what to do. Oh well. I guess we'll have to take this inside. It's getting a bit blustery out here. I feel like I might need like clamps or something, I don't know, to like hold it like that while I do that, while I turn it. I don't know. Bummer. That sucks. Take all my screwdrivers. I've got a lot of screwdrivers with me right now. Take all these and take the hammer, the motor, everything that I need. Bummer. It really sucks. And yeah, let's take this thing and do it when I get back to my room. Everyone, now we are back inside and I managed to get this apart. That is what is inside of a vacuum cleaner motor. These are pretty rare. I'm so lucky I actually got one too. And put it together like that. And that is all there is to it. That's all you need just to put the thing together, just 2 screws. That ain't gonna go anywhere. Hang on a minute. Let me hear that. Don't need to hear that. The blood stuff. And also, I had to do that little part right there in order to lock the spindle, so I would get the thing off. So yeah, simply just goes on like that. Just locks onto there like that. Put a little washer on there. Then put this piece on. Okay, that got a little locking nut. Put it on there. Put it on there like that. Putting that on. You have to lock the thing like that. You have to lock it. That way. Now you're going to turn. Bring the thing down here. This is 12mm thing out. You just do that. Simple. If you want to undo it, switch that around to the other position. And then, screwdriver there. And do that. And you do that. You get a little locking nut out. You get the actual thing out here. Whoa. It's pretty heavy. It's actually quite thick. And you got a little spindle here. Actually spins like that. You take this piece out. You take this piece out there. Right there. This is where the thing actually sits. Simple. That is pretty funny. I think this is made from aluminium. If you look closely, it's actually made from aluminium. It's the spindle. Well, that's also down. This is quite a fiddly nut, so I would go easy on it. Oops. You put your little locking nut in there, locking thing. There you go. What's that word? Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I forgot to put the screws in. Darn. Did I put the wrong screws in? There we go. There we go. That's how you do it. Just need the cover. No, I did not throw it. Here we go. Here we go. That is how you manufacture one of these vacuum motors. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. And I'll get a good slideshow with it too. Another video wrapped. Done. Pretty awesome. Alright. Bye guys.